Javier Felipe Ramiro, son of Mr. Ernie Ramiro and Angelica Vicente. Grade 4 Irish, Luz Tonet Pilipinas, daughter of Mr. Roberto Piñas and she is Normara Luis Ribon, daughter of Mr. Rocky Ribon and Mrs. Lucelle Ribon. As for Nick Gabriel Olachita, son of Nicky Lachita and Madeline Lachita. Grade 3 at Leia, Luz Steffi Vicente, daughter of Luis G. Vicente and Renee Vicente. Gino Sarmientes, son of Mrs. Jackie Romero. Grade 3 Rosana, News Sherry Ray A. Vicente, daughter of Mr. Larry R. Vicente and Mrs. Sherwin Adoremos. Escort Jadon R. Romano, son of Mr. Ignacio Romano and Griselda Rolon. Grade 4 SSC Santa Magina, News Innocent Fiona Rafford, daughter of Anna May B. Rafford. Escort Rain Rocket P. Aquino, son of Mr. Elmer Aquino and Mrs. Maria Teresa Aquino. Grade 4 Nuts, News Lumen Vicente, daughter of Genesis Vicente and Mrs. Renabel Vicente. Escort Melvin Ruano, son of Michelle Vicente. Grade 4 Aspen, News Kristen K. Marmagon, daughter of Crisanto Marmagon and Madeline Macano. Grade 5 Godwin Luz, Luces Leros Perez, daughter of Mr. Dean R. Perez and Mrs. Eileen B. Perez. Arlene Gold, daughter of Mrs. Margaret Rafford Gold and Mr. Marson R. Gold. Grade 5 Adelpha, Minos, Lorne Samantha Artoni, daughter of Ferdinand Baconi and Adelaide Baconi. Grade 5 Violet, Minos Dina Rolon, daughter of Benito Rolon and Christiana Rolon. Grade 6 News Amy Marie R. Rivas, daughter of Mr. Michael P. Rivas and Mrs. Mario Rivas. Escort Daniel R. Perez, son of Bertram Perez and Connie Rector. News Sheila B. Ortiz, daughter of Mr. Leandro Ortiz and Mrs. Ismaelita Ortiz. Francis I.B. Lewis, Nigel L. Ford, daughter of Mr. Nelson Ford and Mrs. Susan Limanas. And for our Supreme Union Government News, Hazel Rodaje, she is the daughter of Mr. Michael Rodaje and Mrs. Dalidela Rodaje. Escort Luis Ronaldo R. Amorin, son of Mr. Ronaldo Amorin and Mrs. Agnes Amorin. News Marie Angela M. Ross, daughter